My project is called Rewilding Center Oxford. The purpose of the project is to enable progressive approach to conservation. It's about letting nature to take care of itself, enabling nature processes to shape land and sea, repair damaged ecosystem, and restore degraded landscape. Through rewilding, wildlife natural rhythm creates wilder and more biodiverse habitats. The social and political issue is the demand of the people. Imagine, it's already 57% land use for agriculture only. It is considered a threat to UK as it affects the environment and the nature. Why it is the threat? Because most of the tree being cut down for the purpose of agriculture and it responds to food demand. To cope with the issue, the ideas of rewilding being put to test. There are three scopes of function for Rewilding Center. First is survey and analysis. Second is healing and breeding. And third, teaching and applying. For survey and analysis, Rewilding Center will make the inhabitant to understand the situation of the area. If the habitat of the area is injured by human activities and human intervention, then Rewilding Center will act to heal and breed the habitat. Rewilding Center will teach to the people so that they can apply the Rewilding Center knowledge to all the area so that the restoration can be done and expand. So, for the funding to Rewilding Center is WWF, which stands for Worldwide Fund for Nature, because they have similar aim for the project. Due to the scale of the project, the inhabitant is the caretakers, field workers, rewilding manager, researcher, academics, and rewilding carpenters. There are three users that will visit Rewilding Center. First is elementary school students. Since the site is near to the school, so it is a good approach to make the elementary school learn about rewilding. While second is nature enthusiasts. Since the site at Aston Eyot has so many nature enthusiasts, it is part of the big contribution towards rewilding because it can teach to public and also working at Rewilding Center. And third is the university student. It is because they can contribute to new knowledge on rewilding. So, the public can reach to Rewilding Center through the river and also by walking to the site. When they reach there, they will register themselves and change the attire for nature work. And there are 4 types of program the public can use. First is fish sanctuary, where they can learn about how to breed the fish and also do rewilding at the riverside. Second, animal hospital, where they can learn about how to do hospital works that relates with animal. And third, plant nursery, where they can learn about how to grow and take care of the plant until to the adult age and learn about how to transport the plant to the nature reserve and other places. And fourth, admin and workshop, where they can learn about how to manage activity, research, and also maintain structure through workshop activity. The site is at Oxford, which situated near to the river at Aston Eyot. I selected Steel Scrapyard as Rewilding Center and the Kidney as the Fish Sanctuary. Why Steel Scrapyard is because it is a good place to show example to the public how Rewilding Center can restore nature with re-involvement of human to work on nature. Second is there are steel scrap that can be used as building material. And third, because it is near to the university and the school, which is a good opportunity to expand rewilding knowledge. As for the kidney, it is a good place to reintroduce the new wildlife habitat and beaver to restore nature and clean water at the river. And second is it has active nature reserve community that can act as catalyst to achieve rewilding. I love Josh Monbiot as my environmental theorist. And I remember his word, he said, rewilding to me is about resisting the urge to control the nature and allowing it to find its own way. Some people see rewilding as human retreat from nature, as I see it as re-involvement, which the idea is human as the key factor to make nature truly nature through rewilding. So, my precedent study for Rewilding Center is Haddenham Animal Hospital. Why? It is because it has research on how many animals that been injured by human activities and human intervention. Second, they learn and teach also about how to treat animal. And when the animal is fully recovered, they release the animal to the nature. And it is the best example for Rewilding Center. So, the primary material for Rewilding Center is timber. Why? It is because it has low carbon emission by having the material for the building construction. And second material is the steel scrap, as it is good material for building and cover, which we can collect oxygen from the rusted metal into our water storage. And third, we use transparent polycarbonate, which to allow sunlight in the building. And by that, the special properties for the building is open to nature, which it portrays allowing sunlight, air, water, animal, green in the Rewilding Center. To conclude, Rewilding Center, the inspiration behind it is from symbiosis studies in nature from previous semester. From happiness in sustainability, it raises question how sustainability creates happiness in people's life. So there are many ideas on rewilding being put to test, because at that point, I think rewilding is the key to happiness. So the first approach, I try to introduce new animal to the site and also try to introduce new fish to the site as well. And developing more, I try to see how the plant and edible plant works to create this complete symbiosis relationship through weekly disruption. Through all the progress, my conclusion is Rewilding Center is the key to achieve long-lasting happiness through its sustainability approach.